afternoon, guys. Welcome back. It's a lovely sunny day. It's been raining this morning and afternoon, and now I got a sunny break, so I thought I'd go to the beach for a quick swim and enjoy it a little bit. Just had lunch with Gabby. She's at work, but she finishes at 5, so probably a good time maybe to go for a quick swim. Some chickens. Okay. It's a beautiful day, but it's very humid. It rained quite heavily, and there's still some darker clouds. I want to try and get to the beach quickly before the rain starts again. I'm wearing my beach hat, as you can see. Good hat for the sun. Feel some drizzles. Hopefully it doesn't rain again. But yeah, it's a lovely day, but very humid. So join me as we enjoy Cayman Beach, the best beach in Cayman. Pretty flowers. So it's very common in these months of June and going forward in summer months that you get a lot of rain, then the sun, then rain again, sun. As it is now officially hurricane season, you know, you get more of that. Hopefully no major storms affect us this year. Fingers crossed. But yeah, it did rain quite a bit. And yeah, the sun is out now, so it's super humid. The sun is super strong. So, but yeah, hopefully the rain stops. Right by the Kimpton. I think the water is very calm today too, so that should be good for us. Right by the Kimpton. We're just heading a little past the Kimpton, where generally it's super quiet, so it should be nice. We have the Red Cell Water Sports guys over here. Kimpton is that way. So I made it to my destination. Wasn't very far though, but you know, I am feeling some small drops. Hopefully it goes away. Yeah, there's that big cloud behind us. But overall, it's a beautiful day on the water. Just wish the sun would come out and this rain would go away. And I'm feeling a little bit more super annoying. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Or never. But yeah, it's actually really nice and clear. And when the sun will come out, it will be even clearer. So yeah, we're right past the Kimpton. This area further past is called Tiki Beach. It's a lovely part of 7 Mile Beach. Very quiet generally, I would say. Weekend you might get a few more people here, but it's very nice. There's this reef which is right in front of us where you see the waves are breaking, but very nice waters. Our friends got married here, as I mentioned before. They got married here about 2 years ago, right in the same location. There we have the sun. So yeah, you can see the clarity is super nice today. Really nice. can see some more gray clouds coming in. So perhaps I might have to run for shelter in the next few minutes. It looks like the rain's coming this way. Drinking Modelo, one of my new favorites. Perhaps we can find shelter over there. Oh yeah, here comes the rain, here comes the rain. I was hanging out here, some nice shade, but the rain's coming. That's no good. No good, no sir. Uh-oh. I feel it coming. It's like, oh yeah. And you can see over there, it is raining. Here, I can feel some of it, but I might need to go and grab some shelter. I'm not sure if it's gonna, yeah, I feel it. And I can see it's pissing over there. So, I might have to find some shelter. Alright, so, not sure if I'm allowed here, but I am taking some shelter from the rain that is coming right now. Got some strong winds pushing it from the south. It looks like it's coming this way. I'm able to hide out here for the time being. Hopefully they don't bother me. I'm not causing no problem. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Whew. Well, it is the start of hurricane season, so this is pretty usual, pretty normal. But yeah, we get this a lot. Rain, heavy rain, and the sun come out, and rain again, and the sun come out, repeat, repeat. So I shouldn't be surprised by this, especially given the time of year. It is June. It is June. So the rain has not stopped. I thought it would stop, but it did not. But it's still super humid though. Yeah, you can see it over there. Raining over there by the Ritz and the Westin. Raining here too. See some sunshine, but it's still raining. I wonder if it's going to stop, because I need to get some sunshine. Might be a rainbow, you never know. And generally if it rains like this, there is a rainbow. So, oh my god. These folks up here are braving the rain. Who cares if you get wet, right? So who cares if it's raining? Time to go in the water, or at least try to experience the water. I'm wearing El Gringo hat. Luckily my camera's waterproof. Whoa. Nice and warm actually. Very warm. I wish it was sunnier under better circumstances, but it is what it is, guys. But yeah, the water is super warm, not very rough, which is great. Ooh, nice and refreshing. Kimpton straight ahead. Not very busy right now, but it is a Friday. I don't know, maybe we'll be busier later. Oh, this rain, man. When will it stop? But I'm wearing my hat, I look El Gringo style. Now I can see some sunshine in West Bay over there. But no, it's still raining. It stops. The sand is so heavily on your feet. So the rain has stopped. Excuse me. It's sprinkling a little bit, but it's not too bad. Not as heavy, so I'm just going a little bit further up. It's a really nice spot at the beach. I always like it here. They have this like reef here, little shallow area where you can relax. But yeah, these beaches are super quiet ever since the border closures, which is great. Oh. My other videos I mentioned about the reopening, and it's going to take a little longer, possibly September, the fall time is most likely. Some really good snorkeling out here. I saw some stingrays out there when me and Gabby came here a few weeks ago. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful beach. And nobody here too. So it's all mine. Seems that the rain is starting again. I'm not gonna win this battle. So I might just go in again to the water and then head back home. At least home is very close. So yeah, this is not too bad. At least the water is super warm. Even outside it's super warm too, guys. It's like, it's always humid here. Always very humid here, so there's never a time where I'm freezing here, that's for sure. But yeah, it's been a rainy day, unfortunately. As I said, oh, here comes the rain again. Oh gosh. All right. Gotta get out of the water. As I see cover under this tree, I want to remind everybody that, you know, if you live in the Caribbean, it is hurricane season now, so always start to repair your non-perishable items, water, batteries, first aid kit, and whatever you need to survive in case the storm does come. You know, me and Gabby needed the same thing in our place, because you never know, so always be prepared. Better safe than sorry, as my mom would say. So, all right guys, I think I'll end it here. Thanks for watching this video. Hurricane season's upon us. Get ready, be safe. Hopefully everybody's back here soon in Grand Cayman. All right, Mr. Cayman sign off from a rainy afternoon past the Kimpton on 7 Mile Beach. Take care, guys. Much love. Peace out. I'll give you one more view. The rain be falling. All right, guys, peace.